Hi everyone, this is Hassan Zaid Judoon, a student of Computer System Engineering at UT Peshawar, and today I want to discuss you a small introduction of Amazon Simple Storage Devices. So without further delay, let's start it. So first of all, let's discuss the introduction. As this is a basic introduction of Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service. So what is Amazon S3 or what is Simple Storage Service provided by Amazon? So actually, you can see a definition here. Let me turn on my pointer. You can see definition, actual definition written here. So what Amazon S3 is basically a cloud-based storage system. Cloud-based storage service which securely stores a data of any size from anywhere on the internet. It's a basic definition. If I discuss it in one word, then I call this is a storage service. Simply, a cloud storage service is called provided by Amazon. Is called Amazon S3 or Simple Storage Service. So let's move toward the example. Maybe this one examples will help you more in understanding this. So let's move. Let's, for example, I somehow a photographer and she wanna save her photographs on a cloud somehow server. So she can use Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service to store her videos or photographs privately. Secondly, a startup company. There's some startup company who launched recently some literature startup or some technical startup. So there are some about data like documentation, employees details, somehow clients details. So that company should save that data on that Amazon storage service or S3, sorry. So third one is university students like me. You are students, I am student, we are all like studying in somehow a university. So like university have a lot of stuff to save, like details, like for example transcripts, for example certifications, email details, photos, videos, a lot of the other stuff. So university, like any of university, can use the cloud services for storing data, like Azure, Amazon S3. So why Amazon S3? So let's move toward the right point, that why like universities are somehow uh, like use that Amazon S3. Actually, there are some key features which make Amazon S3 like are unique from Microsoft Azure or from Google Cloud. So these key features are somehow scalability, durability, you can say availability, and then number fourth one is security. Amazon S3 offers actually like you can say scalability to accommodate higher data demands. As Secondly, as data is redundantly stored across multiple devices and can be accessed through like different electronic devices from different locations. So uh, like the Amazon S3, this will ensure like higher durability and availability. The most interesting and like my favorite one is her security. Like Amazon actually S3 actually offers a multi-layer security, like including somehow encryption, different types of encryption, and access control. So these are the key features that make Amazon S3 unique uh, as compared to or like in competition to Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud. So let's move to the next slide. So here, like I am concluding the whole my discussion in this last slide. Use cases of Amazon S3, that like where we can use Amazon S3, as I discussed previously, like we can use it in data backup or recovery, like storing backups of critical data and enabling quick recovery. Secondly, hosting a static website. Like for example, I am student or I am somehow like you can say I am a photographer and I have to make my build my portfolio website. So I can use Amazon S3 to deploy my to host my static web app for portfolio. So thirdly, data lakes is like an important, or you can say a good like advantage of using Amazon S3. In like last second, I want to conclude the whole the things like in few verses, few lines. You can say Amazon S3 is a versatile and essential service. It's a versatile and essential service which is used for storing and managing data in cloud, offering reliability and scalability and security for business and organization of all sizes. So here is a basic introduction. So thank you so much for watching. Keep connected with me on LinkedIn and on my socials. Thank you so much.